Here we have a 2020 BMW 330i. We just deleted the rear muffler, left the factory tips as you can see. Customer just wants to get a little sound out of it, so we left it all stock up front. It is a turbo, so it gets a little bit of drone to it without the resonator in there. Put a Y pipe, left the active exhaust valve there so it doesn't throw a check engine light or anything. Nice and clean as we always do. Let's hear it rumble. Well, they definitely woke it up. Obviously, the more you step into it, the more you're going to hear going down the road. That sounds pretty good.